3 o'clock, June 2nd. Time to get back out there and pull some weeds. Cleared out this fermenter for the most part. Cold treatment went very well. Tastes so good. That's just wort too. A little bread knot last night. So I'm going in here now and pulling weeds that I don't like that are gonna be getting bigger. And then cleaning up plants, the little bottoms that are gonna be wasting energy, not getting enough light anyways. Excuse me. Thinking about getting a grow tent, throwing in a light, start sexing them, start pheno hunting them and all that. But the problem is I don't want to waste my time. I've done already how many years of this? Y'all just take and run. So I'm heading to Russia to finalize the contracts. Not that I don't trust y'all or we can't work together, but it's either one way or the highway. You know that. Somebody's got to own it. Look at this Japanese plum graft. It's doing so good. This is from seed that I started a plum in a pot, and then I transplanted it, put it in the ground. Can't believe how good it's doing. There it is. Got a little wax on it and everything. On the tip. Very impressed with this graft. So technically I gotta cut all this off. Once I cut all this off, I'll have this just left. Or wait till next year and start grafting more on these shoots, which was the original game plan. All right. These are all strawberry pots as well. So it'd be cool to pheno hunt this, grab some strawberries. Get all that rolling and rocking. So I'm trying to flush these trees out, get some water in them, and get these tomatoes rocking and rolling that I've been breeding for, gosh, 8 years now. Look at this. Beautiful. Magnificent. A little opiate lettuce, Lunix lettuce, the oak tree. About what, 5 years? I have it in a pot. Cigar tobacco. So I take this leaf off, dry it, and now you can roll something in it. Zepranto leaf. Got blunt. Connecticut broadleaf. Magnificent. Grapevines. These beautiful roses. Oh, check this out. These blackberries. They're coming in finally. coming in hot. I like how they're coming in different times. Oh yeah. Little Borowski. Some in pots. Barrages love getting rolled up and smoked. Really good frontal leaf. And medicinal, healthy. From what I've been trying. Not the smoking part. The growing it out and eating it and medicinal extractions. All kinds of special benefits to the beauty. Alright. Here's some of the blackberries that are ready. Well, the first two that I've seen so far. Look at that. But yo, that. Oh yeah. Rose Climber, a red. One of my new cleaning friend ladies brought me a home welcoming gift. Eden Klamath. I like it. Beautiful. This is one of my biggest tomatoes that I'm growing out, the cherry. Check her out. I need to get her in a pot. Or in a cage. But she's getting so big that I'm thinking about several cages now. She's in this one main pot right here that I can't wait to top dress and give it food, right? All these pots, I'm leaving extra room so I can top dress them. Just the money situation, everything is not coming along as fast as I want it. And every year is a season gone wild. Little peach dwarfs. So yeah, got to figure out a way to keep this beautiful tomato plant on point. Look at all those. All the cherries. The key's not getting the flowers wet. And keeping her nice and clean, healthy. Little rose. Italian. Agnon. Gosh, so many years now propagating her. Look how big they're getting. Whew. That is a baseball size cola, onion cola. A little more tomatoes. Oh, this one's going way far. Look at that one. Got these beautiful vines doing their thing. All right. The Japanese plum from the backyard, from seed. Get it, Lunix. Oh yeah, I've got Lunix lettuce seeds that are ready. In that little patch over there, in the driveway patch. I'll show you. They're so powerful, so special. All right, I'm gonna hit this canny. It's got Italian onions around it. How cool is that? The reasons they're Italians are the torpedoes. You can tell in a little purple. There it is, a little cutie patootie. Oh, little right. That's how I started Jack. From the bottom. One of these lollies. Alright. Little beetle. Where you going? Prime Amazon driver delivery guy was asking for leaves to be dried, and he does artwork with it. So I'd have to put in like a book, some plant presses. Where you at, girls? My artists. I need girl artists in my life. Know how to turn garbage into heavens. I was gonna say Martian, but no, that don't make sense. Heaven's blossoms. No, oak tree. Why? Ooh. Oh, it's still getting hot. It's getting spicy. Sacramento is still cool. Can't believe it's June, but it is warming up. Some figgies. Some clones are working and some are not. Oh, there's some roots in here. She's ready for a transplant. So I've got this cool little, I don't know what you want to call them, air rooting, little pods that are plastic. I know I could have made them at home, this and that, but I really wanted to see what technology is out there and what they're trying to sell. And so I've got this on a few branches. Japanese plum in the back. These figs. And the key is to keep them moist. So that's another experiment that I'm working on. How dry can they stay? Here they go. Let's see here. Hopefully I don't hurt the root system. Come on, baby. Oh, there it is. I did it. I did it. Oh my Lord, I did it. I did it. I did it. I did it. Yeehaw. And they said I couldn't do it. And I did it. I did it all night long. Look at that little virgin bunny ready to rock and roll, baby. I like that. That's hot. So I got these little cocoonies now. So I'm gonna take this, cut it. I'm gonna chop it right here. Boom. I can leave it, well, I can chop it right here where the root system is. Depends how I want to do it, but I'm gonna cut it as low as I can, right while the main new shoots are coming. That's gonna be nice and warmed up, ready. I wonder if this one's ready too. Oh, it is. Look at this one. A little spunky. A little spunksty. It's time too. I like the shade here. The tree, cleaned it up a little bit. Alright. Boom. Should be wearing gloves, I know, girls. I don't like keeping my hands dirty, especially if I'm gonna be in the farm porn industry with you little cuties. I'm getting wild. Alright. Bring her up a little. Now she is ready. Ready like she can never been ready. Well, she never been ready. Alright, come on. Come on, baby. Look at that root system. That's what I want to see. Alright. Boom. 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 Look at all these boomings. I could put it in here. You know what? That's exactly what I'm about to fucking do. I'm about to put these fig cuttings right in here. Why not? Get the fig going naturally. I wish I had Hot Wheels. I want to go toy shopping to Walmart, get a bunch of little toys, start staging everything. That's what I used to do back when I was a kid. I would stage everything. I'd develop. I was a natural born developer. I don't know why I like this so much, digging tunnels and excavating. I was out there getting it. All right. I wonder if this one's ready too. Probably. Let's check. Should be. Here, let me get both my hands on it. All right, here we go. I got these two pods out. Boom. Oh yeah. Oh, this one had no roots. Wow. Well, I'm still gonna cut it right here and put it in the ground, because this has been, I guess, marinating, you want to call it. I don't know the perfect words for it, but it's almost ready to create some roots. So I'm gonna chop all three of these. Three. 4 figs, but 3 ready. One with the roots. No roots. This one didn't have AirPod. And there's another one. Just a little root system. All right. Gotta get my clippers. Ooh. Water flow. A little too much. Oh gosh. Trying to multitask best I can. Be honest. Doable. In the survival mode, though you're gonna run out of gas. You know how that goes. I don't know where to put this. Shovel, and then my clippers. Come on, clippies. Oh yeah. All right, showtime. Showtime. Game time. Quickie on the jet ski, baby. Y'all forget what I'm thinking. Ooh. Cheers. To the best life, not just the good life. To the life that we've dreamed and we visioned and we did proceed to get our achievements. Never give up. Another one from my father. And you can never forget the grandpa. Ancestors. I love you all so much. It's gonna be good. I'm gonna spank y'all so hard. You're gonna come back and cry for more. Alright. Showtime. I got my gloves. I got the buzz. I got the tools. I got the resource. From soil to sun to plant. I think I'm winning right now. This a little. I think we're ready to mine some gold, yo. All right. I'll be honest. Once the money's here, so the reason I even have it so thick is I don't have anywhere else to put it. But once the money has arrived and I have no limits, like I've been promised, sooner or not later, if I survive, then literally restart everything. And then I place everything perfectly where there's no chance of weeds to grow through. It's gonna be bulletproof. And then around it I can putt, golf. It's gonna be like a walking little showroom, plant showroom. Obviously on a drip system. And then the drip, like I got grapevines that are 25 feet long. So I don't wanna rush into it, but build everything around everything. See how I cleaned this up? So you can see the sticks. And they're only gonna stretch out and they're gonna go way out there. So carefully, slowly, I even got these right now. I can actually clean a few of those runners. But I'm not in a rush. Like for example right here. See how it's coming in? Boop. Oh, let me see here. I gotta get this rose watered. So the cool thing about the big pots, they stay wet long, but you gotta make sure you soak them at least a couple times a month. That's during the daily showers. So you can see how it kind of goes up. I cleaned it all. Here it goes down. And that's gonna keep growing out. So the grow tent that I want, all these plants that I have growing, and they're gonna keep growing, and everywhere else I ever do grow out a seed, a pheno. Beyond collecting the plant seed for the next runs, you wanna clone them, get a head start. You gotta clean them anyways. But for example, this, I would love to get a clone right here, right now. And this is that sativa. That's why I breed that pure sativa, but I'm always getting a little bit of a mix in the bunch. So I got this too. This is the main one that I've been leaking, the hybrid. When I say hybrid, it's sativa, but it's got fattier leaves. So my sativa with the little fattier leaves is a pushing still a sativa, more of a mellow, chill upper sativa. Then I got that train wreck, or what do you want to call it? I mean, this is straight up train wreck. I call it the red dot. This is my red dot. Colombia. So anyways, what's my red dot? It's what I've been breeding, crossing, creating. All right, time to top this. This is the fun part. I had to wait so long. All right. So I got my little shovel. Now I gotta read in the water this bag. And the bag will be able to still build that root system and keep it transferable easily. Instead of it going just to the ground and just starting to stretch out like crazy, I've got that bag to kind of hold it up and start creating more of a pot root system. And the fabric will keep stretching out the roots in the same direction instead of them getting root bound. All right, there you go right here. Bada bing, bada boom. Oh yeah, and that's what we're looking for right there. I'm gonna cut it again, right where the root system is. Excuse me. That I'm just gonna bury. This is the new plant. Trim it down, so it's not wasting energy. Trimming them all down. See that? Nice, beautiful little fig. What a root system and everything. She a cutie. So some are working, some are not. You can see those figs are coming in. So I believe that graph worked. I got the backyard fig from my yard onto a real Linda fig clone cutting that I've got here. Where did I just cut it? This is the main real Linda, huge figs. These figs are like that big. And then I got now the second cutting of it, and on top of it I've got my fig to the side. How sexy is that? So I got two different varieties of figs, one giant, one smaller. I've tasted them both, they're amazing. And the root system. So there you go, there you have it. That's how it is done. I'm gonna make sure it got a bunch of good moist. This will root. And it's even got fruit on it. Did you see that? There it is. Oh yeah. All right, so that's one. I've got a few more. Same concept. Knocking the soil down. Look at that root system. Mamma mia. Oh yeah. Look at that. Look at that. Now that's what I'm talking about. Heck yes. So in in a greenhouse, whole nother game. That's the other things. I need a greenhouse on this house. I can't wait to start other properties, but this is the first one that I want to finish when I start. From funerals to weddings. All right. I'm gonna dig a hole on the other side of this pot. Call this my little fig propagation center. Let me reverse this. Get to work here, y'all. Put these gloves on. I don't want to give no girl a vagina infection. I am a good boy. Oh yeah. Oh, oh. Oh yeah. All right, there's 1, 2, and I'm going for 3. So I'm hitting bag. That's how much soil I got. Not too much. Oh, the third one didn't give me roots, but it's close to it. Perfect. So this one didn't have root system yet, but I'm just gonna bury it, lay it in the ground. Shit. Okay, well, I see what I did wrong. Okay, so, fuck. The graft worked. I grafted this. I must have taken it off. The grafting, well, I did. Took the grafting tape off. I didn't see it and I was about to bury it. So I got my graft. I don't remember what kind of fig. I think it's my backyard fig to a Rio Linda fig. I'm just gonna bury it now. Ah! All right, that'll hurt. Nice and careful. Very nice. Maybe it works. If it works, I win. But hey, I didn't just pray about it. All right. Time 2. Yeah, I gotta focus on this water. I'm flooding the whole front yard. Mamma mia. Lumpski Meatski. It is getting very feisty. I can't wait to kill a freaking animal. I want to get something hanging and